Bright and fresh, this beautifully maintained 2-bedroom condo is ideally located within the awesome gated community of Cross Creek Village in the charming beach town of Playa Del Rey. Enjoy lush green grounds and resort-style amenities consisting of easily accessible laundry rooms, sparkling pools, jacuzzi, a gym, and a large clubhouse, basketball and tennis courts, and so much more. Welcome. This great unit has a spacious open floor plan joining the inviting kitchen, boasting with a breakfast bar featuring custom-built shelving underneath with the dining area and living room complete with its own lovely private patio. Sleek flooring and granite countertops flow throughout. Hope you enjoyed this tour. We are the Who in Blue Real Estate Group. If you have any questions about buying, selling, or investing, we are here to help.